Hi and welcome to AutoAgir Tutorials. My name is Patricia and today I'll show you how to update your English dictionary on Agir. First, you have to download the updated file, so click on the link in the description below, download it and save it for later. After you log in into your account, you have to click on your username on the top right side of your screen. Then go to Agir Config, select the Advanced Settings and click on Languages. Remember that file we downloaded before? Import it by clicking on this green button, double click it and that's it! Your English dictionary is now updated. We hope you like this tutorial. If you find it helpful, like our video and comment down below and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time!